Well. Happy birthday, Ella. Okay, thank you. Pero, sino si Elias pala?
Ay, wala. Kumukha mo kasi yung court namin. Ano ka ba? Sorry na.
Oh, thank you pala sa pag-invite. Nag-order na pala kayo?
Ah, yes. So, nag-order na kami kanina.
Kumusta pala kayo, Kirk at Clara?
Wala eh. Meron lang yung accountant.
Thank you po.
So, what's your birthday wish?
I mean, hindi ko alam, pero I guess to go full-time sa music, just specifically.
Laps naman. Nice.
Hans, parang kailangan mo magpa-doktor.
Bakit? Kirk, may nagawa ba ako?
Basta yun. Wala. Happy birthday ulit. Ano nga pangalan mo?
Wow, inaya mo lang naman ako, tapos hindi mo na ako kakilala. Oh, wait lang. Magsisiyar lang ako.
Wait. Before you go, pwede sulatin mo muna yung pangalan namin dito.
Ay, bakit?
Wala lang. Your memories ba?
Okay, sige. My pleasure. Tara na, alis na kasi ako eh.
Ito tayo? Hans, may sabihin ako sa'yo.
Ay, bakit? Ano yun?
Wala lang. Concern lang kami sa'yo, Hans. Pero, alam mo si Dr. Grace Everett?
Not that I had heard of.
Anyways, tawagan mo nga pag may problema ka. Pwede ako makatawagan.
Ano itong pinig sa sabi mo?
Anyways, sige na. Mara na ako. Happy birthday ulit.
So, kamusta ka sa Biocan? Kasama ka doon.
Uy! Uy, kamusta Mano?
Okay lang. Ikaw,
Okay lang. Ano ginawa ninyo?
may binili lang.
By
By the way, si, Julia.
hi Julia. Ako po si Hans. Nice to meet you po.
Hello? Oh. Guys, uwi muna ako. Hinanap ko ng asawa ko. For the meantime, ano kayo kung kayong dalawa na muna magsama?
So, wala na si Kirk. Saan mo gusto pumunta?
Dad, so naman, di kasi ako taga dito eh. I'm actually from Manila.
So, by the way, may sasuggest akong place dito. And I know na from Manila ka, so parang di mo pa yata dito kabisado. And bis lang muna akong sandali kasi nandiyan lang naman house to.
Okay, sure, I'll wait na lang here.
Mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin, magpakailanman, di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pang iyong damdamin, hayaan na lang tumibag ang puso mo, para sa akin.
Pwede ka pala sa kanina.
Oy, okay lang, no problem, Julia. Uy, by the way, Julia, free ka ba ni? Okay lang ba na ayayin kita mag-dinner? Mamaya naman.
Sure.
Okay, sige. So, punta na lang ako sa inyo later and you send me the location and wear your best outfit, I guess. Okay, sige. So, alis na ako. Okay, sige. Bye-bye. Sige. So, actually, I'm a jazz person.
Only conflicting you
Bakit?
This is boring.
Let's go. Wala kang boring doon? Jazz is more than a genre. It is a living conversation, and it is born from resilience, creativity, and cultural confusion. Now, jazz has used a voice to generations who also used rhythm and improvisation to express what words alone could not.
So, saan naman tayo pupunta?
Dito ako bala. Pero maganda yung place na yun. Pupunta na ako. Later.
Sure.
Hello, pwede po ba magstugtog dito?
Sige,
Okay, so anong favorite mong song?
Mamma Mia.
Oh, Mamma Mia. Okay, sige. So ito, C chord. C chord. And ito naman ay D chord. Ayun, ipag-combine mo sila, you can make a song of
I was cheated by you, and I think you know when. So I made up my mind it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, now I really know my, I should not have let you go. Friday night and the lights are low. Looking out for a place to go where they play the right music. Getting in the swing, you come to look for a dream. Anybody could be that guy. The night is young and the music's high. With a bit of rock music, everything's fine. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Digging the dancing queen. You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Kamusta? Na-enjoy mo ba?
Super.
Dapat ganun yung pag-play ng favorite songs. So it's
Thank you po.
Some other girl and guy would love this swirling sky, but there's only you and I, and we've got no shot. This could never be. You're not the type for me, and there's not a spark inside. What a waste of a lovely night.
You say there's nothing here, Well, let's make something clear. I think I'll be the one to make that call.
But you'll call.
And though you look so cute in your polyester suit,
It's wool.
you're right, I'd never fall for you at all. And maybe this appeals to someone not in heels, or to any girl who feels there's some chance for romance. But I'm frankly feeling nothing,
Is that so?
or it could be less than nothing.
Good to know, so you agree.
That's right, what a waste of a lovely night.
Hans, not who you think who I am.
Julia, why?
I can't. Hindi tayo para sa isa't isa. I feel unreal next to you.
Eh, bakit naman?
Hindi nga, Hans. I'm really sorry. You're a great guy, pero hindi talaga.
Eh, I know na hindi ka gusto or you're not interested in jazz or something like that. But that's okay. And okay lang. Pwede ba maging tayo?
Hindi.
Eh kasi nafe-feel ko yung chemistry nating dalawa.
Hindi talaga, Hans. I'm sorry.
Where we walk the streets, all the places God, shattering times, nights and days, longing for the heart, expecting not describing. We're here, starving for comfort, starving for peace. Let's be on still has feeling.
Yes, ano yun?
Kirk, nasan si Julia? At bakit ako nandito?
Yes. Andito na siya.
Kirk, sino yun? Sino yung tumawag sa'yo?
Anyways, wala man yun.
Kirk, huwag ka magsisinungaling. Nasaan nga ako?
Pasensya na, wala si Julia.
Anong wala? Tapos, ba't ganyan nakalab ko? Ano pinagsasabi mo?
Hans, you're not Hans O'Reilly. Ikaw si Elias Rowland. You have been here for 3 years.
Alam mo, when we released you before your birthday, but suddenly, nagse-celebrate tayo sa Cafe Fabrica, nakalimutan mo yung pangalan mo at pangalan namin.
Kaya yun, nilagyan namin ng chlorpromazine. In your mind, Elias, I wish I let you live in your fantasy world.
Hindi nga ako si Elias!
Hi, Hans.
Clara, sino ka?
I'm Dr. Grace Everett, your primary psychologist for the past 2 years. We studied you, Elias. Naguntahan nila ever since you murdered your parents. Ang boy mo si Julia. Dami mong manic episodes na umaabot na sa point na gumagawa ka na ng senaryo sa utak mo. Make it your own reality. I'm sorry, Elias. I'm really sorry.
Elias, I'm Dr. Cooper. I've been running this institution for years. So far, ikaw ang pinaka-interesting na pasyente namin. Tingnan mo ng maigi, Elias. Anong napapansin mo? Ano dyan? Full name ko yan. Same letters, di ba? Okay ka lang.
Oh, okay lang. Ano, namimiss ko lang si Julia.
Okay lang yan. Doc Grace. Failed din naman siya.
Sino yung clerk?
Wala yun, huwag mo naisipin.
Oh, anyways, mauna na ako. With your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it. Yeah. Your head will collapse if there's nothing. Nay, kamusta?
Wow, anak, ang aga mo naman. Kamusta, nak?
Ito ako in-invite ako ni Kirk tapos ni Clara mag-cafe kanina since tinawagan niya ako.
O, gusto mo ba timplan kita ng Milo?
Ah, sige ma. Sige, sige.